Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you complete setup of your Redmi A3x step-by-step guide tutorial. So let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to press the power button to turn on to power the Redmi phone, just like so. Having turned on the power, next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on language right here. Here, you have to choose your preferred language right here. Scroll down and choose your preferred language. As for me right here, I'm going to leave it in my default English language right here. Having put it in United States English, next thing you need to do is to click on Vision Settings right here. So Vision Settings here, this is where you set your display font size, magnificent, select to speak, or talk back. So you can choose any one of your choice right here. So I'm going to simply click on done right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to click on start right here. That's going to take me right here. And then by default, my country has been selected. But in some cases, if your country was not selected by default, you can scroll down right here and choose your country right here. Okay. Once you choose your region, next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed. Then it's going to take you right here. Then user agreement, privacy policy, simply click on here to accept. Then click on here to continue. So here you will be asked to connect to mobile network. If you have SIM card, insert them now. So what we want to do now is to go ahead and insert our SIM. So after you insert your SIM card, then automatically it's going to discover the SIM card right here. Just like what you see right here, I have two SIM card inserted. Next thing I need to do is to simply choose a number to use for mobile data. I'm going to choose the second line right here for mobile data. Calls preferences. Here, choose a number for outgoing calls. All active numbers can receive incoming calls. Just put it in ask every time. Then take you right here. Choose SMS prefers number. So you can choose any of the number right here. I'm going to choose the MTN line right here. Then right here, you have to connect with a Wi-Fi. So here, I'm going to connect with available Wi-Fi right here, which is Infinix Note 30. I'm going to click on that. Then I will enter the network password. Having entered the hotspot password or Wi-Fi password, next thing you need to do is to click on connect. So it's going to take you right here. You need another Android devices or an iPhone or an iPad to turn it on. Keep it unlocked. Next thing you need to do is to click on can't use another other device. Restore data without other device. You can restore more data, including phones, photos and videos if you use other devices. To restore data without your old devices, sign in with your username and password on the next screen. Click on OK. Yeah. So here you will need to sign in with your Google account. So here I'm going to enter my Google account username. Having entered your Google account, next thing you need to do is to click on next. Then right here you have to enter your login account password. Then after enter your login account password, click on next. And you will be taken in right here. Two-step verification. Help keep account safe. Google want to make sure it is really you trying to sign in. So here, Use your phone or tablet to get security code. Get verification code via your two-step verification. Next thing you want to do here is to choose your two-step verification right here. I'm going to choose this number right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on continue right here. Keep your account updated with this phone number. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here and then make sure click on yes, I'm in. The next thing you need to do is to click on I agree right here. Restore data from other devices. ITEL 3P7. Click on backup right here and click on next to restore all the data. Here you will need to enter your screen lock password. Then all your backup right here is going to show. Next thing you need to do is to click on restore backup right here. Then under the Google service right here, make sure these are turned on. Scroll down right here and make sure you click on accept. Google service backup your device. Simply click on turn on backup. Then here you need to enter your PIN. So you have to make sure you enter 4-digit PIN right here. Then click on next. Then retype your PIN. Click on confirm. Set up your fingerprint. How it works, you can scroll down right here and then you can decide to give no thanks. Unlock your face, scroll down right here and say no thanks. Continue setup. Keep going to get your device fully set up or leave and get a reminder to finish later. Simply come down below right here and click on continue. Here you have to scroll down right here and click on I agree. Then scroll down right here and make sure I click on I agree. Say, okay, Google, what is the weather time control? Set up later. Scroll down right here and skip. Then here, skip for now. Anything else, set up a few more things now or find them later in setting. Click on no thanks. So here, basic setting. Send usage and diagnostic. Just scroll down right here and hit on continue. Set up your lock screen. You can decide to skip for now. So here, use Glow for mobile data. Simply click on no thanks. All setup fully completed. It's as simple as that. So now you can now start enjoying your Redmi A3x. It's as simple as that. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Android smartphone like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.